If you are looking to process contracts from Word or PDF into structured formats like CSV or Excel that you can take into spreadsheet software like Google Sheets or Excel, Contracko has a solution for you, both in the web UI as well as via API. I'm the founder, Boody Voogd, and let me demonstrate to you how this works. If you create an account for Contracko, for which we have a free trial, you will get 20 free parsing credits to experiment with the parser. Let me show you how it works. In this case, I'm uploading a SaaS agreement with a fictional healthcare clinic. You'll see that you're able to select an output format like Excel or CSV, and a contract type. Contract types are data structures you can create in Contracko for common contracts that you deal with. For example, you might do many of these SaaS implementation agreements and create a service agreement type and add some custom fields, like maybe you're tracking the amount of licenses. If you pass the custom type to this extraction, our system will know to extract for those custom fields as well. You can also just exclude that's possible, and this starts a parse in the background. To show you what the result looks like, I've just ran this 4 minutes ago, this similar agreement. Here's a preview that you'll get, so you're able to see, okay, it took out the file name, start date, exclusivity, etc. Basically everything you would care about. And you can download and export, and this will download the Excel file that you can import into your spreadsheeting software. The parser is also able to run in batch, which I can demonstrate for you here. It will show you all these different previews and an export of choice. This is great for workflows, for where you need to get a structured representation of all the contracts you have available. For example, when you're acquiring a bunch of rights, when you are bringing order onto your systems, when you haven't yet created spreadsheets or organized ways to track your information, or when you want to use it in data processing pipelines. Another thing we often see is that it's used for audits, so that if you are audited either for compliance or maybe when you are doing research to be able to purchase a business and look at its assets, this is a great way to get a bird's eye view. Additionally, if you don't want to do this in the UI, but via the API, that is absolutely possible. You can experiment with it here. The same 20 credits that you get for free, you can use via the API. And if you go to settings and integrations, you're able to create an API key with the parsing spec to experiment with this. I'm curious to hear what you find of this feature, and if you have any questions, definitely let us know.